Hey guys, Mike from vidIQ Reviews here, and today we're doing a different type of unboxing. Today we're unboxing Pokemon. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be unboxing some mystery gem graded Pokemon cards. I was able to find 3 of these at one of my local Walmarts here right down the road. And I've personally never seen these in person. Again, guys, if you guys are tuning in, thanks again for joining in. Smash the like button. This is not a typical unboxing for the channel, but because of the way my channel has been going, at this point, I'm really don't care what I'm unboxing for the channel at the moment. So again, guys, if you guys are not too familiar with Pokemon, Pokemon is probably the popularity as far as the cards, the collecting, everything going right now is kind of crazy right now. I did get back a card yesterday from GameStop on grading, so you'll see it here in this video. I do have it in a big plastic sleeve. I do apologize there, but if you guys know the card, you know the card. It is a PSA 10 Mewtwo from the Destined Rivals, Team Rocket's Mewtwo, and this card in a PSA 10, like I said, it's worth about $1,300, and I'm actually going to sell it to one of my local card shops down here in the RGV. So I'm going to put this card back. That is a very valuable card, and I decided to go with these cards even though I'm not really familiar with CGC. Well, I'm familiar with CGC as far as like a grading, but the thing is, I feel like CGC is less desirable. But if you look here, CGC does have what's called like a black label 10, which is like their highest value 10, which apparently, the grading is a little more stricter than PSA apparently. So, and again, there's a few other grading companies out there. There's Beckett's, there's CGC. I think the top 3 are PSA, Beckett's, and CGC. Beckett's holding the higher value when it comes to grading. But anyways, guys, I was able to snag a few of these, and we are going to go ahead and get this unboxed for you. Thanks again for joining in. Comment down below what your favorite Pokemon is, and we'll go ahead and get this going for you guys. Again, I really appreciate y'all being here today. Again, it's probably going to be a short video, but hopefully no more than 10 minutes. But, I thought about, hey, should I hold on to these or should I resell them? But I'm like, yeah, I'm just going to get them and unbox them, and hopefully we get a few cards that are decent value. I'm going to try to look up the value here with you guys, and I use an app called Price Charting, so we'll see what's going on with that. But yeah, guys, let's take a look here. First time unpacking one of these. Let's go ahead and get it going over here. It looks like it opens up from the side, and it looks like the card is just chilling there. I don't know exactly how to open this portion, or does this just slide out? It just slides out. And it's upside down, so we'll go ahead and I'm gonna try to cover the front part of it. You can see there it's got the little Beckett's logo. Let's go ahead and look at it. It looks like it's a Darkrai V-Star, so it's not a very desirable card in my opinion. I think this is from like a promo, but you can see there it's from it's from Astral Radiance. It's from 2022, so it's a little bit of an older card. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got a PSA 9. So let's go ahead and look up the card value of this. Again, I'm not too familiar with the card. Mint 9, so that's not too bad. So let's go ahead and look it up real quick. Okay, guys, so I use an app called Price Charting, like I said. And Price Charting has this in different prices. Ungraded, this card is worth $1.86. PSA 10, which would be their top grade, would be $54. If this was a Beckett's Black Label, it would be $355. CGC Pristine has it at $38. So right now I'm already thinking that I'm at a negative right now basically with this. So I did check eBay because it doesn't really give me CGC pricing in a grade 9. It does say grade 9 $6.28 here, but that could be like another company. I also gauge off eBay as well, right guys? So eBay, again, somebody has it posted for $15. Buy it now. Someone has it for $50. It really just depends on the buyer. Of course, most people are going to want like a grade 10 CGC box, but again, we are taking a risk on these guys buying stuff like this. Just a small disclaimer, you are taking a risk when buying these. So, Astral Radiance PSA CGC 9, here's another one for $25. So it really just depends. Market can fluctuate, but for the most part, I think I'm negative on this one already. So let's go ahead and move on to the next card, guys. Okay. All right, so next box, here we go, guys. And I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Again, if you guys like my videos, comment down below and let me know what you guys love about the channel. Again, we are doing Pokemon unpackings here, guys. And again, this is not one of my typical unboxings for this specific channel, so I really appreciate anyone that is taking the time to watch this Mystery Gems unboxing for the Pokemon. Again, I'm hoping I find at least one good card because they only had 3 at the store, and I was like, you know what? I've been having some pretty good luck over this past weekend, so I'm definitely, you know, wanting to, you know, test my luck out more with, you know, Pokemon. And if I can find it, great. If I can't, well, then it's whatever. So again, another graded card here. Hopefully, oh, and I'm already seeing the card kinda. Let me flip it upside down. So the key is to flip this upside down because, again, I don't even think it was a holo card, but let's go ahead and cover the grade here. This looks like it's a illustration Constance 2025, and I'm seeing a black label, so right away I can tell you this is already it should be a PSA 10, maybe not, I'm not 100% sure actually, but certified quantity. This is a 2025 Black Star promo illustration contest 2025 winner, so you can see the art looks pretty awesome actually, and that's pretty cool that it's stamped, so it's actually like a different type of card, so this might hold a little bit of rarer value. Let's go ahead and take it off. Oh, I got an 8. Okay, so again, I don't know what the value of this is. CGC, I'm gonna have to look it up, but again, this is a pretty cool looking card. I've never seen the card personally. It's not a holo card at all. It's not holographic. It's not an illustration rare. It just says illustration contest 2024 winner. So this card's a couple years old already. Let's go ahead and see if we can look up the value really quick. Okay, we are back, and apologies, I did have to turn off the lights in the background because I was not able to scan the card. So again, guys, this card in a CGC 8, let's go ahead and try to get some light back here for you guys. A CGC 8 looks like, let's see, a pristine 10, this would be a $93 card. Black label, it's a $1,000 card for Beckett's. PSA has it at $151 if it was a PSA 10. Like I said, I've never seen this card. Ungraded raw, it's an $11 card, so at least, you know, we were getting some money back, kind of, not really. Let me see. It's just saying grade 9 is a $25 card, and grade 8 would be a $15 card. So right now, again, guys, we're kind of losing. We're losing on the cards currently. So we'll see how that goes. Well, we have one more box to open up here, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we should save the last box or open it up? I think I want to open it up anyways. And again, you know, this is for the fun of it. We'll see how it goes, guys. But again, so far we have a Darkrai, which again, I think I have this card ungraded, and then this special Pikachu card. So again, let's go ahead and continue on. Okay, last box, Magic, and I want to give a shout out to my boy Tito because I know he's a big Pokemon fan as well. I know he likes to play Pokemon Go. I don't know if he's still playing it, but again, Tito, shout out to you, and I hope you guys are enjoying the unboxings here so far. Again, so far I'm at a loss, but we'll see. We'll knock on some wood here. Let's see if we can get some nice stuff going here. So on the last one, we'll get some last pull Magic over here. And again, I think we got to flip this upside down in order for the card to come out upside down, because again, I don't want to reveal the slab to you guys just yet. I want to keep it a mystery. But so far, again, pretty cool on the first 2 cards over here. I'm not complaining too hard on it. You know, if I can resell them at like an event later on for like, you know, at least for a little bit of my money back, I'll be happy. So again, we are going to cover this up, and so far I'm seeing a Mimikyu, Pokemon Black Star promo. This one is from 2023. Pretty cool looking card. It's an EX card. It's not an illustration rare. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Oh, we got a PSA or CGC 10. So finally we got a 10 on our last pull. It's a pretty cool looking card. Again, I'm gonna have to look this up for you guys real quick before we close out today. But that's my first 10. I got an 8, 9, and a 10. So hoping it's at least worth what I got put into it, right? I'm not really looking forward to or looking at you know, getting a big chunk of money for it, obviously, but you know, definitely going to look at the value, and we'll close it out from there, guys. Okay, guys, so just a heads up here, we are looking at price charting. Again, this is the app that I gauge to use as far as value of cards go. PSA has it at $66 and a PSA 10. BGS Black Label $400 card, and right now CGC in a pristine 10 is a $40 card. So this is, again, this is not labeled as a pristine 10, it's a gem mint 10. So I'm gonna probably check eBay, but for the most part, I would say I probably got my money back on this card. I would say it's still like a $30 to $45 card. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think these are worth it? Would you guys buy one of these mystery packs? You know, I've seen videos where, you know, a lot of these card companies, they sell them, and then, you know, a lot of people get screwed over. I know GameStop sells what's called power packs. GameStop will sell them, you know, and I think GameStop guarantees you at least a grade 7, but sometimes those grade 7s are also like an older set, like base set, right? So you might get something from base set, and even if it's a grade 7, it still might be worth money depending on the card and the set itself, right? So you guys, you know, don't sleep on the lower grades just because, you know, you think it's not holding value. Still, it's holding value. Obviously 10 would be the best. But in this case, guys, what do y'all think? I definitely know I'm in the negatives with this card. This card, I most likely will at least get my money back on the vidIQ CGC 10. So happy this is a cool looking card, by the way. Like, I'm surprised this is not an IR. But again, sorry for the bad lighting. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Should I do more videos like this for the channel? Do you guys like videos like this? Let me know. Thanks again for watching. You guys smash that like button, and we'll see you guys next time, okay?